Greetings to you all. Welcome to Brinda's Verses from Profound Writers, a compilation of 10 poems, traces of your love bond, shooting star, a ray of hope, lifestyle of an orphan, life of a forest, a meet-up with a stranger, condition upon happiness. That night, my world tore into two pieces. What healing feels like. Ghost in the midnight. Honey and cinnamon. Traces of your love bond. It was the bond of true love that connected us. Do you know how? Even after 3 or more decades, thanks to modern technology, it never fades. All is possible only with love. Reminiscence of past glory did allow to illuminate the unforgettable memory of the loved one, indelible in the history. Long to meet this bosom friend, golden memories flashed without an end. No chance for another or in lieu of, for it printed in heart a reasonable autograph. A hand that helped in times of need, which wiped the hot tears indeed, offered food, clothes, shelter in heart, that solace in trouble will never depart. 2. Shooting star, a great spectacle of the lifetime, cute, fine, and lovely with silent rhyme. What we learn from a shooting star, we will never go away from memory far, traveling so quickly like lightning, leaves pretty trace shining, weak eyes missing the tracks frequently. The sight of shooting star never seemed giantly. If we are able to see, we are lucky. Ice mountain looks tiny, not bulky. Huge and enormous from birth it seems. Life started from the shooting star and its beams. Like a night bird coming in the night. Oh, what a beautiful line, a wonderful sight. Who is luckier in this world, if you ask? One who witnessed shooting star without a mask. 3. A ray of hope. He is an auto driver, not at all a teetotaler. Always he is smoking, an addict to drinking, womanizer and gambler, pays not auto EMI ever, hardly engages anyone, looks at his face home. Fortunately or unfortunately, someone boards from a good family with a sick child and a pregnant mother, trusting him with a faithful prayer, took his hands in hers, blessed him with solacing words, a ray of hope, transformed as a normal man. From that day, he became a good Samaritan. 4. Lifestyle of an orphan. An orphan I am from birth. About others I sigh. There are mirth. As everybody nameless came I here. Why I am born, I want to hear. Sitting outside the famous school, learned a few words so cool. Good uniform, food and ice cream. Happiness and peace, silently I do scream. Ever hungry and thirsty in the platform. No caste and religion is a real charm. Being an orphan is not a grave sin. Take us out and keep us in a relationship cabin. I know not my date of birth, no religion or caste till death. I know not my dress size or shoe size. Oh, have pity on this orphan without paisa. 5. Life of a forest. Forest life started centuries ago with trees, animals, and birds without foe. Embraced me the sweet gentle breeze that caressed the dancing flock of trees. Birds tweeting simple baby class rhyme, animals running and chasing will eyes the chime. Really, I feel it is an unpardonable shame without knowing each and every forest folk name. Animals walk majestically with rural charm. They never thought of doing any harm. Their heart is always friendly and warm. When their stomach is full, they are usually calm. Very wrong to destroy forest. Blessing from God is to test. Let us try our best to conserve forest. A meetup with stranger. I have seen you somewhere was the first sentence to share. From a stranger of opposite gender, furnished my whereabouts as a blunder. Conversation continued quietly and stealthily, without any malintention but healthy. Monologue became an interesting dialogue, neither an epilogue nor a prologue. He became a good and intimate friend, so submissive I fell on him a lovely bend. Days passed fast, and weeks rolled, months and years with great speed rolled. One day he uttered some words different, couldn't comprehend quickly what he meant. Acceptance means his friendship will last. Rejection means once for all, relationship is lost. Friendship in it ended with wedlock. For some, it is expected. For others, it is a shock. That strange meeting changed the scenario, and he became my lifelong hero. 7th, conditions upon happiness. Is there any condition to live happily? Love is beyond any restriction to live freely. Happiness comes without any specified norms. Can happiness be achieved by distinct forms? How many promises are silently broken? Previous love I knew always forsaken, all because the worthless conditions, unable to fulfill the expected predictions. Life is for many deceiving mirage. To start from teenage to partnerage, so many conditions just to spoil the happy life. Breaking families, ending all in a strife. Give and take is a very simple policy. Forgive and forget is not that much easy. Take it easy is easy to say, but not so practical. Will stay hold strong all relationship as it is. The night my world tore into two pieces. The sky was calm, without any charm. The night was silent and was very warm. Beneath the quilt, I, as usual, lay easy. All others are in deep sleep and cozy. A thud knock on the door heard I. Suddenly frightened, on the bed was I. Peeping to police through the door, magnifying glass. Shocked I never committed a mistake, even in class. They called my name, yelling aloud. With much agitation, slowly I allowed. For a couple of minutes, shot a few queries. All I answered like a small, obedient baby's. My lovely night tore into pieces too. Confirmed I had COVID-19 positive too. Alas, I sobbed and shed bloody tears hot. None consoled my words on the spot. What healing feels like. A rebirth on earth after recovery from sickness. A healing touch of the Almighty and kindness. All days breathing more volumes of air freely, while ventilation breathing is very costly. Value of God we don't realize when fit. After ailing with pain every minute, praying to God and seeking permanent remedy, doing all multiple penance are really a normal comedy. Seeing and hearing for free after discharge, walking and feeling in natural air for no charge. Feeling and thinking in sound health is a compliment. Breathing and smelling for cost free is permanent. A time comes to realize all immeasurable freebies only when one is sick like innocent and ignorant babies. Healing feels like godlier, making everyone merry. That is really heavenly, enjoying and tasting cherries. Ghost in the midnight. I called 100 as I heard strange sound during midnight. Doubting a thief or a ghost, police came and found nothing. During breakfast, our guest regretted and said, I found it difficult to fetch a glass of water in the kitchen. Honey and cinnamon. A bark from a wooden bag, having Humpty good value, hark. Rolls of cinnamon are not few, worth innumerable to people new. Reduces diabetes and blood pressure, cut the risk of heart attack, a treasure, an antioxidant for a little money, anti-inflammatory and a medicinal honey, reduces the unhealthy tummy. A bite of cinnamon is playing like jolly mummy. Boil it, add it with honey, so sweet. Consumption in empty stomach is a healthy treat. Cinnamon and honey are medical twins, be it Ceylon, Acacia. Make merry chins, merits and many in both of them. for the poor and the rich, a medical anthem. Hearty thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. I owe a lot to you.